Conjure up ideas. If we didn't have the capability to make our dreams come true, our mind wouldn't have the capacity to conjure up ideas in the first place. Dare to dream big. The bigger the goals, the more excited about them we can be. If we don't feel a little nervous when setting our goals, the odds are we are thinking too small. So we need to apply this principle. Do our goals excite us? Do they scare us a little? Those that do are probably the right ones. We shouldn't simply live inside our comfort zones. If we simply play safe, we go nowhere.